Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to get my nails done. We're doing a little nail vlog and I'm so excited for this because I'm actually going to somebody that I found on Instagram. Her name is Tessa and her work looks so good, so I decided I'm going to let her do whatever she wants to my nails. So like the design, shape, color, length, it's completely up to her. So basically I have no idea what I'm getting, but I just thought this would be a fun way to try out some new designs. So yeah, let's go to the salon. Okay, this is the before, guys, of my nails. So basically I decided I wanted to just let you do whatever.
Yeah.
So shape, design,
okay.
You can do whatever you want. I'm nervous.
Okay. See, I had like something in mind. We can change up the colors. Do you want me to show you?
Yeah.
First? Okay.
Okay.
I was thinking a different length and shape though. Like something like this, but we can totally do different colors.
Piercing. Oh,
like
that's
that?
actually cute. What even?
I don't know.
I don't even know what
like
that
lava,
is.
Kinda. I don't know.
Yeah, I really like the checkered like board design. That could be cute. Like I stalked your page. I went on the hashtag. I was like Cincinnati nail techs, and I was just going through, and I was like, ooh, this looks good.
I literally like I never like hang out with other nail techs or anybody. Like opened in January, so like I kind of just took it as like, hey, me and my friend, we like became business partners. And so did you go to school for like art or anything like that? Or
No, I
like,
just
naturally
did. Well, I've been doing nails since I was like 8.
Oh my
is when I got into nail art. This is what they're looking like right now. We're about to move on to some nail art. These are so long. Oh. I can always no, I like it, but I'm just like, who am I?
I just looked at it and got so excited. Oh, that is cute.
Okay, so this is the final look. She ended up adding some gems, and then she also did the foil on all of the nails. And guys, I love these so much. It's crazy because this is definitely a design that I would do. It's very similar to my own style. I feel like this lighting is a little bit better, but again, these turned out so cute. So the price is around $110, which I personally think is fair, especially for the amount of detail and nail art that went into these. And honestly, the experience was so much fun. We talked for pretty much the entire time. I did have to mute it just because I didn't want to get copyright for the music, but I would highly recommend going to test that if you are in the Cincinnati area. I'll have all of our information linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!